What's up guys, EagleVision here. Today it's gonna be a short video where I'm gonna tell you guys how you can enable developer mode settings in Windows 10. Why you ask me? It's because I saw many games on schedule. Like I have one open at the moment, that's Forza Horizon 4, where they say enable developer mode, the first one, install instructions. I saw some more like Reforce, Rage 2, Wars, Gears 5, then Outer Worlds. I saw some more too, where they say that we have to enable developer mode while playing the game. I mean, while before installing the game. So let's show you guys how to do it. In the search bar, type settings. You can see this here. Go to this option, that's update and security. Yep. Now there's a tab on the left side which you can see. Here you have to go to for developers, and there are three options in the top. Microsoft Store apps, that will only allow you to install apps from the Microsoft Store. Actually, sometimes that's good because many such websites are there which is malicious, where all the files don't have the necessary trust you should have while installing. So yeah, enabling this option will actually only mean you can install apps from the Microsoft Store. Sideload apps means you have to add such site, because you have to add such places, like it says here, other sources that you trust, like your workplace. I mean, apart from Microsoft Store, there are some others. I mean, some other places where you can download the game. I mean, install the app or game, whatever it is. And here is developer mode. It's for advanced development features, but while installing certain games, you have to use this mode. So settings first, then update and security for developers, and then the third option. Instantly you might not see the effect of this developer mode, because if it's Microsoft Store apps, then you have to change it to this one, and in this place you will see something called downloading my developer mode package. Let it just do its work for like a minute or so, and it will be done and dusted. Now that's how you can enable developer mode. Thank you guys for watching.